G'day guys, another episode down on the trucky. So just switching on. Interesting site here, very busy, full of big tippers, semi-trailers, and yeah, lots of things going on. So I really wanted to show you what's the situation here, what do we do? Yeah, the bulldozer very professional. Make sure we tip always on level. As you probably watched the previous episodes, more than 5 degrees roll angle, more than 5 degrees roll angle, and the whole track can tip over on one side. So very dangerous, especially for these big semi-trailers. So we have to make sure that the rear axle, the last axle, the back suspensions are fully down, so it helps to bring the center of gravity lower, more stability. As we get empty, we connect the interlocks and differential locks. Because we lose yeah, no worries, we'll do next to the semi. Roger that. Beautiful tracks. I don't know if that's a Kenworth T909. Powerful beast. Nice and level. We'll lower the suspensions. Open the tarp. Heavy load, mixture of topsoil and rocks, which are quite heavy. Massive construction site here. So where we are, they're digging foundations for townhouses, and here they have to level to make more townhouses on this side. So they need topsoil to level, because it's not level at all. You can see it's all going down there. Alright, let's watch. Beautiful. All in one go. There we go. Indeed. Okay, suspensions back up. If we forget them down and we drive and if we take big bumps on the road or any potholes, we can severely damage the rear axle. So we have to really remember. But we have the dashboard telling us everything. Now the suspension is back up, so no more amber or caution lights. Close the tailgate. Make sure it's closed. Beautiful. And tip being in position, in neutral position. There we go. Off we go back to the other construction site. This time I didn't even need to oh, here we go, speaking too soon, wheel spin, so I have to engage differential locks and interlocked. There we go. I was about to say this time didn't even need to engage the interlocks for the real axles and the differential locks. But there we go, we got uneven we just got uneven ground underneath the empty axles, empty beans on the side of the axles, and so no weight, no grip, so the wheels start spinning, so I had to engage the interlocks and differential locks. And now back off, as it's not good to drive with them engaged all the time. Brings a lot of strain in the transmissions and the shafts and the bearings. It's only good for when you really need it, like off-road. So the boss was trying to call me before.